Guys, this is Eli. We're shooting a quick video today about how to install beef racks on your V1 or V2 camper. And this is also applicable for V1 and V2 RTTs. So your beef racks will ship with two packages that look like this. This is all of the hardware that is necessary for installing the beef racks. This includes the mounting brackets as well as T-nuts and quarter 20 bolts. So you need one of these mounting brackets for each side of the beef rack. They'll mount to either side like that. And you'll have two quarter 20 bolts and T-nuts on each side of the beef rack as well. When you receive your beef rack, it's going to come pre-assembled. The mounting feet, end caps, everything are going to be on it already. When you're deciding where to mount your beef racks on the camper roof, it's gonna be different for everybody. Basically just measure out what you wanna mount to your beef racks. That way you know what your spacing should be before you get your beef racks mounted to the camper. So once you've determined your spacing, lower your beef rack down and line it up with the T-track. You may have to go around from one side to the other side just to make sure everything is lining up correctly. All right, now to prep our mounting hardware, we're gonna pop the quarter 20 bolts through the mounting plate, put a dab of blue Loctite on the threads of each bolt, and then we're going to place our T-nuts into the top T-track on the side extrusion inside of this mounting foot on the beef rack. Now take our bolts and start twisting into place. As we tighten these bolts down, the T-nuts will rotate into place, locking the beef rack onto the extrusion. Just be mindful as you tighten to watch your T-nuts and ensure that they are rotating into place correctly. Correct orientation for a T-nut is when you place the T-nut in and you tighten the bolt and it rotates into place so it's vertically up and down like that. Once the T-nuts are rotated into place, we tighten down our mounting hardware. Basically, once the Allen wrench starts to twist a little bit, you don't feel the bolts tightening anymore, you're good to go. Now that our T-nuts and mounting hardware are tightened down, we can move on and repeat this process on the other sides of the beef rack. So now you guys have seen how to install beef racks. If you guys have any questions about how to install these or any of our other accessories, feel free to reach out to support@gfcengineering.com. We'll see you guys out there.